What's going on, YouTube? Today I want to show y'all how to change the headlight bulb on a 2009 Chevy Malibu. We're doing the driver's side low beam. This is the passenger side. You can see the low beam is the outside light. Obviously this ain't working. You're gonna need a flathead screwdriver, a ratchet, 10mm socket, and maybe some needle nose pliers. And the correct headlight for the low beam on this car is a H11. So the first thing you're going to want to do is pop your hood, get your 10mm socket, and undo all these black bolts that hold on this cover. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. When you take this bolt out right here, you don't have to remove anything from it. Just take the bolt out. And after that, the next thing you want to do is you want to get your flathead screwdriver and take these pins out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is where you might need needle nose pliers. I got them pulled up slightly. I'm gonna go ahead and pull them all the way out with the needle nose pliers. Like that. Now that you have your 10 bolts pulled out and your 4 clips, all you gotta do is pick this cover up and slide it out from under this metal rail, and it'll come right off. Since we're working on the driver's side, you want to turn your driver's side wheel to the right so you can access these 3 clips. And you're going to take those 3 clips off, as well as this 10 mil that's right up in here. Alright, I got that bolt out, and you can tell which bolt it is because it looks a little different. It has that on it, that little bottom piece. I don't know a technical term for it, but the ones that came off the top look like that. Now, you want to get your hand, sort of just pull that out, and we're going to get that 10mm bolt out. After you get that 10mm bolt out of the side, as you can see, I got the needle nose holding the bumper out. Take this part of the bumper, go ahead and pull it out. After you get this bumper pulled out a little bit, you'll see that this bolt right here. You'll see this bolt right here. It's a 10 mil, it's got to come out as well. Now that we got that bolt out from right there, should be able to pull the headlight out. So the easiest way to pull this headlight out is by this back corner. You just pull it forward. And then you can see back here, that's the low beam. And the high beam, if I can get it, is down in there. Got the low beam pulled out of the headlight. You can see this one is burnt up pretty good. So you just take these clips off the side of each side right there, and you put the new bulb in. Before you ever put everything back together, you want to check, make sure it's working. So it's working, and that is ready to go. So to get this back together, all you got to do is just go in reverse order. So the first thing I done was I put this bolt back in on the side right here. Went in here, put this bolt back in. Next thing you do is just slide this back up on here. Make sure it slides in the side. Put your 10mm bolt back up here, and then put your clips back in. After you got those clips in and that bolt in, just put this back on. Just make sure you slide it up under here and put these holes over the top of these rubber stoppers. Put your 10 bolts back in, 4 clips, you're done. I got all the bolts and the clips back in. Let's try it out. There it is. I don't know if you can tell, but it is working. There you go. Also, I apologize for not having like a tripod or anything to hold my phone so y'all could actually see what I was doing. But maybe you figured it out. Thanks for watching.